Hello YouTube, this is AYang at Mazda of Orange. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I would like to present to you a very special vehicle, the 2022 Mazda CX-9 Carbon Edition. The Carbon Edition does feature exclusive polymetal gray paint with a red leather interior. I'm going to go ahead and showcase what the Carbon Edition has to offer, as well as what the standard CX-9 saved features are. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So right off the bat, as you can see, it does have the beautiful polymetal gray paint. Certain lighting, it's blue, other lighting, flat gray. But then when you get close to it, you see metallic flakes, so it's really, really nice. You do get a chrome front lip, as well as the chrome surround with the black grille, which is absolutely gorgeous. The LED lights in the front headlights. You do get front parking sensors. The CX-9 does have 20-inch gloss black rims. And these ones measure 255s all the way around. You do have that chrome going around the side skirts. Gloss black side mirrors. Keyless entry. And then in the back, you do get full LED taillights, and then you get that chrome on the back. You have dual outlet exhausts, and then you also have a chrome finish on the bottom of the bumper. CX-9s do come with all-wheel drive as standard. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. So this CX-9 does have a 2.5 liter SKYACTIV-G turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, pushing 227 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. And it's made it to a 6-speed automatic transmission. And how Mazda tuned this engine, you're actually able to put 87 octane on this vehicle. Let's go ahead and hop on inside. There's that gorgeous red leather that I was speaking about earlier. These right here are finished in chrome. You get full power seats, as well as lumbar support, and your memory settings. To start, just have your foot on the brake, and then you're going to tap this start-stop button right here. So you can actually set the center display from kilometers to miles per hour, depending on where you're located. If you press this info button here, you can actually change the front screen. So for this one right here is my favorite, because the CX-9 does come with blind spot monitoring as standard. And when there's a car in your blind spot, let's say here, it actually has little arrows pointing at either directions, letting you know it's not safe to turn. You do also have a little LED light that turns orange when there is a car in your blind spot on either sides. And then to turn on your radar cruise control, you can actually set where you want the car to pace. This car will fully stop as well for the radar cruise control system, as well as emergency braking. This Carbon Edition does feature heated steering wheel, heated front seats, as well as your cooled seats. And then you do have a soft opening glove box. This mirror right here is self-auto dimming, so depending on the light coming from behind for the front headlights, this mirror will dim accordingly. And you do have your HOMELINK system on the bottom, so you can set up your garage door openers. You have your sunglass holder. And then you also have your moonroof. This Carbon does feature your Bose audio system, which you have tweeters there, parking sensors, and then when you put the car in reverse, you do have your backup camera. This one also does have your wireless charging pad. And this car does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Let's go ahead and hop in the back. You have your pockets for the back. And the Carbon Edition does feature heated rear seats, as well as your full control for the HVAC system for the back passengers, as well as your vents, cup holders. And then on this one, you do have captain's chairs. And then you have a third row, so the CX-9 can sit up to 7 passengers. The rear trunk is fully automated, which you can actually control the height of the trunk. You have an extra cargo space in the back. This Carbon is absolutely beautiful. So if you have any questions on this Mazda CX-9 Carbon Edition or any Mazdas in our inventory, please let me know. My contact information will be listed down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.